Part 1. Move backward when you have an upper thread break. Enter Design Management Interface. Input the design from the USB disk. Select the pattern. Set embroidery parameter. Select an embroidery frame. Move frame along the outer margin of the pattern. Set the origin point. Move back to origin point. Set the color change sequence. Click Go Back 20 stitches key. The machine will move backward 20 stitches. Then thread the needle and continue to embroider. Part 2. Return to the stop point. Stop the machine. Trimming the thread. Move frame to ideal place so that you can check the design easily. Click Return to the stop point key. Machine will move to the stop point and continue to embroider.